Yeah, I saw this one coming. It was already on there. It's a special marine warning. Hold on. I shall return.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for Detroit River, Michigan waters of Lake Erie until 12:15 a.m. At 10:44 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles west of Wyandotte near Luna Pier to near North Cape, moving northeast at 55 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Woodland Beach around 10:50 p.m. Astral Beach around 10:55 p.m. Lake Erie Metro Park Harbor around 11 p.m. Elizabeth Park Marina, Grosse Ile, Gibraltar and Stony Point around 11:05 p.m. Detroit River Light and Wyandotte around 11:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by strong thunderstorms include Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Gibraltar, Astral Beach and Detroit Beach. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. Here is the forecast